Welcome back to ICT trading concept. If you can hear me, just let me know. At the same time, please don't forget to give me the like. Okay, please don't forget that. Dollar index didn't take that sell side liquidity yet, so that all the sell side liquidity which has not taken yet. So still, I'm thinking that market is going for that sell side liquidity. It is bearish. Simply, I will expect the bullish run for Nasdaq. Okay, so let me make it clear. Here, this is Nasdaq right now. I have just tweeted. Now is the last opportunity to take the buy. This buy side liquidity. Okay, this is the last opportunity. I'm going to remove this one because I just outlined that I don't need it for until that buy side liquidity. I'm just going to remove it. There was one setup. There was another setup. Here was one setup. Here was another setup. A lot of setup over there. I'm gonna remove everything and I will just focus for the right now price action. So let's see what can I get from here. I can see market has taken this sell side liquidity. It's taken over there. Going to market. All I need a very nice market structure shift. That should be something like this. Okay, very nice move. Very nice move. And where was that? Here. That was a move. The move. I need that type of move over here as well. If I get that, yeah, I'll frame for that all-time high. This is the all-time high. I believe that market will take that uh, buy side all-time high today. Okay, because it's very near to the buy side liquidity. Very near. I really would love to see that market will take that all-time high. And yeah, so let's wait for the displacement if we can find out the last setup. This thing I talked about early in my morning session. I just told that your entry should be in Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, this is only for Wednesday and Thursday. Came here, make the liquidity, take the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. Again, make the liquidity, take the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. Make the liquidity, take the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. This is how Wednesday and Thursday work. Okay, you don't need to wait for the 15-minute fair value gap. Now if it trade the 15-minute fair value gap, that's a good sign for us, and I really appreciate the market if it trade the 15-minute fair value gap. I really appreciate because it has traded the 15-minute fair value gap. But if it doesn't trade the fair value gap from 15-minute chart, that's also cool. There is nothing wrong with that. So let me show that. And this one, the 15-minute, right? That's cool. Now it is in deep premium. I know, it's in a deep premium. No problem. I love to take buy when it is in deep premium. I love to do that. Even if it is a loss, I love to keep doing that. All I need a displacement like before. Something like boom. If I get that, I'll go for that. I have the opportunity until 3:30 to catch that move. If I fail to catch that move, I'm absolutely okay with that as well. By the way, here this up close candle, highest up close body close candle, this is the breaker. So don't forget about the breaker as well. And this is not an invitation to take the entry. As I told you, if any of you just trying to trade your real money, just close my stream, open others stream or others thing, then follow them. If you want, you can follow them, but please don't copy my trade. If you ask me, most of the trade has done already. From today, most of the trade has done. Started from here, lot of opportunity was there, take the buy. So most of the trade has done already. All I'm trying to catch is the last move. So this is the last hour, as the buy side liquidity is not taken yet. So I would love to see. Now this swing high is not valid for shifting market structure because it has made relatively equal highs, but this swing high is valid. I would love to mark that swing high valid for shifting market structure. Don't forget about this relatively equal loss, because market can take that relatively equal loss before going further. Or I'll just try to catch if it shifted that market with displacement. Yeah, I'll try to catch that move. Otherwise I'll just let go everything and maybe I will miss that. This highest up close body close candle is my breaker. I love to see this should work as a breaker. By the way, guys, Netcan a WSG everyone. What is WSG? What is that? Netcan? How is trying top tick the market? I don't understand. I liked how didn't. Okay, I don't know, brother. Yes, good to hear you. Thank you, Manu. I like to. Thank you, brother Jack T. Amazing, just unexpected that it went over 100 handle during lunchtime. It can happen, okay? Now 41 people are watching. Please don't forget to give me the like. I only ask for the like, so please give me the like. By the way, guys, at the same time, if anyone is new over here, you can subscribe to my channel, as I'm uh, very near for 5700. So I just need 4 more subscribers, then I'm done. I'm done for today's target. I don't need to see this 15-minute chart actually, so what I will do, I will stay in 1 minute chart only. Yeah, I'll just observe the price action from 1 minute chart. Bro, AM session trade, explain, bro. AM session trade, I explained that a lot of time in the AM session. I'm just waiting for the last move, so I don't want to miss the move. I would love to stay here, but AM session, that was a very nice move. I mean, the same thing over there around that area. Where was that? I guess it was there. Market has taken the liquidity. This liquidity has taken Venice displacement. Tap to the first parallel gap. Boom. Come back again. Take this liquidity. Again, market structure shift. First parallel gap or the entry parallel gap. Trade that on. Immediate reaction. Okay. Don't forget about the immediate reaction. Immediate reaction. Boom. Went lower. Take some more liquidity. This is the last one, I guess. Not last one. This was inside the lunch hour. So here market went lower again, take the liquidity, market structure shift, first parallel gap or the entry parallel gap, trade there, boom. So it was clean. Every single day market was doing that. Okay, here is the part. At my beginning when I started to trade, you know what I did? When I saw market is going higher and see this type of move, lower move, I started to take sell, because I thought that okay, now market is actually going for retracement. Okay, because if you just look at your 15-minute chart, lot of fair value gap is over there. I mean, here the fair value gap, see, it traded this fair value gap, then that fair value gap. I keep thinking that market is going for trading a deep retracement, but in time I find out that Wednesday and Thursday absolutely different. It doesn't give the huge displacement, I mean retracement. Instead of that, the 1 minute chart is everything. So in my channel, if you have seen that, I have made a video about 1 minute time frame. You don't need any other time frame, just 1 minute time frame. So I have made that video, but I'm sorry for that, because I didn't explain the day, which day you should look for that. It's only applicable for Thursday and Wednesday, just for these 2 days. Okay, extremely important. If you try this thing in any other day, maybe it will work, but you will take a huge loss. Most of the time you will take the loss. Okay, so be careful about that. This swing high is not valid for shifting market structure anymore, because this is now relatively equal highs. See, this is now relatively equal highs, so it's not valid for shifting market structure. So I'm gonna remove it from my chart and I'll keep seeing. Let me check the 5 minute. Yeah, market is just consolidating. Let it first look, just compare the price action here and all of this area. Was that like this? No, it was very clean. Take the liquidity, boom. Take the liquidity, boom. Take the liquidity, boom. Take the liquidity, boom. I need this type of boom. If I don't get it, I'm not interested to take any entry. I'd love to mark the high. Now you can see it has actually shifted the market, but there is still no fair value. So this entry is not valid. Even if you mark this swing high as a market structure shift, no problem. Still, you don't have any opportunity to look for that buy. This is the breaker block. As I told, it's the breaker block, but for being a breaker block, market has to close above that line. It has to close above that line, then it will be the breaker block. Otherwise it's not valid as a breaker block. Okay, now it closed above the breaker block, so I would love to catch the breaker block entry. Again, this is not an invitation to take the entry, because it can be a losing trade. Okay, it can be a losing trade. I don't want you to take the losing trade at the end of the day, because most of the trade has done already. Oh, sorry, not that one. Sorry. This is my bullish breaker block. I just covered the mohawk. So even if market would love to go a little lower, I believe that this small space will cover the mohawk. This small space, okay? Again, brother, I hope you will understand that the risk, if anyone is here who is trading his real money, please don't follow my trade. I know nothing about the price action, so please don't follow my trade. Thank you so much, bro. No problem. Daily basis is needed or not for one. Daily bias is needed for 1 minute chart or entries. Uh, Daily bias. What do you mean by daily bias? Daily bias. Everything is depends on daily bias, and daily bias depends on liquidity. So all you have to do is you have to mark your liquidity. If you are able to mark your liquidity, you are done. You don't need to think about anything else. Okay, and you can see it's not even a good risk to reward. It's 1:1.8. Okay, let me make it 1.1:2. Yeah, so it's the 1:2. This is the place where you should take the partial. Okay, but now it's really difficult to take the partial, because if that is your entry, this is just a 9 handle, so around that area if you take the partial, it's not going to be a nice trade. So there is no way to take the partial. Instead of that, please let it go. By the way, even if you take that entry, just look over here. It's near about just 10 handle stop loss. I believe that 10 handle stop loss is absolutely nothing. Okay, it's absolutely nothing. You can absolutely take that risk for 10 handle, I believe so. By the way, guys, please don't forget to give me the like. 45 people you are watching and just 16 likes, so please give me the like. Why I'm still looking for buy? Because this is the all-time high that didn't take yet over here. Okay, see, this high failed to take that all-time high. A very small range it left for just 8 handle. Before 8 handle it reversed. What does it mean? That means market wants to give you one more opportunity. One more opportunity market is going to give you. uh, it wants to give you one more opportunity to take the entry, so that you will be able to catch the move until the buy sell liquidity. This is how I see the market. It's all about your perception. How do you see the market? If you think this is premium, yeah, absolutely, it's a huge premium, high premium zone. And if you don't want to trade into the premium zone, then you are not able to trade today. Okay, you are not able to trade in Wednesday and Thursday, because Wednesday and Thursday is always you have to take the entry either the deep premium or the deep discount. Simple. So this is the area where you should take the partial. Now I don't have any opportunity to take the partial, so what I will do, I will put my stop loss to the break even. Okay, so my stop loss is now in the break even. Just keep that in your mind. I just put my stop loss to the break even. If it hit me and I get stopped out to the break even, I'll be stopped out to the break even. First boom. Yeah, absolutely, brother. This is the first boom. Can I trail my stop loss to the break even right now? No, I just can't do that. But I don't want to take the risk at the last level, so I will put my stop loss to the break even. Okay, so just remember my stop loss is at the break even. I want to say every down close candle will support the price. So this down close candle is the order block. Every down close candle should be supported. If you have watched ICT's video, and ICT told that if market is extremely high, then it's gonna respect every down close candle. So I don't want to see that this down close candle is going to be broken. I really don't want to see that. So until from high to low, that should not be broken. Partial boom. Yeah, absolutely, brother. That's called partial boom. That means B O O O O O, and then there's no M. So partial boom. I know nothing about the price action, it's true, but I still trying to share my understanding so that it's, I don't know about you guys, but at my beginning, trust me or not, okay? Whenever I saw this type of down move, I started to take sell, and I started to believe that now market is going for deep retracement. See here, market went boom, displacement, very nice displacement. If I see a fair value gap over there, I will take sell over there. Here, very nice market structure shift. Can you see this market structure shift here? Very clean market structure. This parallel gap is going to be my selling point. So I did that in my beginning, but in time I have learned that no, it's not for every day. Okay, so sometimes I should have been more observative, and I have to observe price more carefully, especially in Wednesday and Thursday, because this is the expansion day. That's why I have made the video, narrative video. You can watch them. Okay? You can just watch them. By the way, the opening is also important, so I would love to put a line over there. Okay, so I'm going to remove this line, and let's see if it is violated or market respect this down close candle or not. I want to see that market will respect that down close candle. Okay? So that's all I want to see. If it doesn't respect, maybe market will come back again to this breaker block. In that type of situation, I'll be stopped out, and I'll be happy to be stopped out because of my trailing stop loss. I would love to work with the precision, and here the precision is this down close candle should not be violated. This is the precision. So if market doesn't give me the precision, I'm okay with that, and I'll be stopped out to the break even. Stephen, boom. Oh man. So let me put my entry at the level of the breaker block right there. Now don't forget about this last variable gap from 1 minute chart. This constant encroachment is very highly important. Okay, this constant encroachment, that means yeah, market can reach until here, but it should not go below the constant encroachment. Is it violated yet? No, it's not violated yet. If this candle close below this line, then it will be violated. So this candle should not close below that line. If it close below that line, then this down close candle is violated. So far it's not violated. This is everything uh, precise. Okay, I mean very precise price action. So still now this down close candle is not violated. Then close lol, just boo. Yeah, it's just boo. So just remember this down close candle is not violated yet, but maybe it will be violated, can be violated. All I want to say, this parabolic gap should be broken. So market should go through this parabolic gap. If it can go through that parabolic gap, there is nothing that can stop the price. Just there is nothing that can stop the price. So here is two things you have to observe. First thing, if the body close below that line, or this parabolic gap is going to be violated or not, this bearish parabolic gap. Because when market is very near for the liquidity and then suddenly a bearish parabolic gap create over there, it's a sign that maybe market is going lower to trade either the most obvious order block or anything. For anything, market is going back. So here I have this breaker block. Maybe market will go for that to trade that breaker. Maybe it will go to trade that breaker block. Maybe this last inversion parabolic gap. So this is the parabolic gap, last parabolic gap, which should work as inversion parabolic gap. Maybe it is coming lower to trade that last parabolic gap. Lot of line, okay, just don't get confused, please. I'm sorry, but I don't have any other opportunity, right? So this last parabolic gap is also an important level. Anything, so this is the reaction. I'm just seeing the reaction. I am not expecting that market will fall and take all of this liquid. No, I'm not thinking like that way. I'm just thinking this is just a reaction, and this reaction a sending price to trade something. After trading that, I don't know which one is going to be traded. Maybe this last parabolic gap, maybe the constant of this last parabolic gap, maybe this breaker block, maybe this order block retest. Anything can be traded. After trading that, market will go back again for the buy side liquidity. So this low should not be violated, or this breaker block should not be violated. A lot of thing over here that is extremely hard to be broken. Extremely hard. Look like NQ waiting for ES. Okay, it can be, brother. I don't know what is happening in ES, as my chart is not open. ES chart is not open. So I will see. Just let me see what this guy is doing. Okay, he's cool. He has traded this order block and it should keep falling now. When it will keep falling, this guy should keep going higher. So until now this is not broken. Still now it's not broken. This candle opened over there but didn't close. No body close below this line. Still it's not broken. Okay, so that, just keep that in your mind. If this candle close below that line, then this down close candle will be violated, and if it is violated, then maybe I'll be okay. So here I got break even. This is my break even. Still I'll keep that on the chart, because my belief is that market will go and take that buy side liquidity before stopping me out. So I will put it at the level where it was, but remember I just got the break even. I'm done with that. Here the most important part is when market go above that high, you have to take the partial, but here just 900. So who can take the partial for that 900? And all I can see is market went lower to trade that breaker block one more time. So now let me remove this last fair gap. Let's see if it can go higher or not. Time of the day, we are in extreme premium. No, brother, we are not in extreme premium. We are in discount, brother. Okay, we are in discount. Still, we are in discount until this buy side liquidity is not taken. We are in discount. When it will be taken, then I'm in extreme premium. Otherwise, I'm in extreme discount. I'm just telling you everything. Let me remove this two line. Everything, okay? What I would do over there, I told you, and what is going to happen over there, I told you that as well. Why market went lower? To retest this breaker block. Maybe the last fair cap constant and cosman. Just let me check actually one more time. Is that the constant and cosman? Yeah, absolutely. It has traded the last fair cap constant and cosman. Trade the breaker block. Now it should violate this fair cap. That fair cap should be violated now. A perfect order block, if you ask me, this is the perfect order block in my opinion. So far, just just don't think that market is going to fall. It is going for the liquidity. So say no, it has done everything over here in my opinion. Now it should take that buy side liquidity. Broken, order block is broken. It should take that buy side liquidity. This buy side liquidity is more obvious now. It's too scary to see that market is falling. After that huge move, market is falling. It's too scary, I know that, but still you have to train yourself to understand this fact. If you get stopped out, you are going to take only 10 handle loss, so why you are worrying about that? Just even if you take one contract, it's gonna be just $200. So for NQ, $200 is nothing at all. Just nothing at all. Don't be scared. As you know, this is the buy side liquidity that should be taken. This breaker block is still holding the price. Why you are worrying about? You should not be worrying about. Now, I am unable to. I have a very bad habit of trailing stop loss because I'm used to with this. So I will go for this last line of the barrier. So this is the last line that should not be violated. The last order block, retest order block. So if this order block is broken, then maybe. Oh, by the way, you have this breaker block. I forgot about the breaker. So it reach until that order block retest, and the opening of that order block is also important. So let me mark the opening as well. Yeah, this is the last line. You will see if it reversed from there or not. Waiting for something is the most difficult situation in this world. Okay, it went little lower of the breaker block. That means I got the mohawk. Still I'm okay. Still I'm absolutely perfectly okay. So if you see, it just went little lower of that breaker block. That is called the mohawk. So far I'm okay. Going to mark that one as my order block, and I'm going to remove this line as it has traded the opening. Till now I'm okay. Time to pump up. If it failed to go up now, then I'm in a danger situation, because this breaker block traded has finished, Mohawk has finished, everything has finished. Market is very near to close, and it's, you can see 335. It's very near to close. It should reach for that buy sell liquidity before closing, so it should expand higher now. At the same time, if you see around 330, there was no volatility. The volatility should be happen very soon now. Mhm. Not good. It should expand higher now. I need the expansion, not kind of Mickey Mouse move. I need the expansion, huge expansion, speed. I need the speed now. There's no job to do over here now. I need the speed, and that speed will close above this parallel gap. That type of speed. Why you just comment? Outline a trade, brother. You know what is my expectation right now? A fair value gap that should be unfilled. That type of fair value gap I'm just expecting. A fair value gap that should be unfilled. Absolutely unfilled fair value gap. Maybe not today. Okay, maybe. We will see, brother. We will see. We have the time. Still, we have the time. And I am oversure that nobody took that entry in their live account. If you have, even if you take that entry to your live account, you can close it right now because you are at the break even, right? So you can just close it right now. Or if you took that entry, maybe you got stood out with me to the break even, so there is nothing to worry about. I can easily let the market run either way. If it go lower, I'm not gonna take any loss. If it keep going higher, I'm not gonna take any profit. So either way, I'm safe. Important part was over there. When market went above that high, that should be the partial area. You have to take that partial. But as it is just 9 handle, so I don't think so anybody would love to take the partial. Instead of that, they will put their stop loss to the break even, or they will just let this go, and they will think, okay, it's just 10 handle, so let it hit my stop loss. I'm okay with that. So this is a lot of situation you can go for that. Okay, really, really come for this sell side liquidity? I don't think so. It should not come for this sell side liquidity, because this relatively equal loss, this line failed to take that relatively equal loss. One thing is bad, and that is when market went higher and take that buy sell liquidity. This is the only thing I'm worrying about, because it has taken the buy sell liquidity. It can go for this sell side liquidity as well, but we will see. I'm short limited edition. I got mail from ICT to shift right now. Then ICT is wrong. If ICT tell that, then ICT is wrong. I'm telling you, brother. If ICT told that, he is wrong. Okay? Limited edition is absolutely wrong. Though I don't believe that ICT mailed something like that. Why did he mail? Not lol, actually. Uh, ICT should not do that type of things. That's my belief, okay, brother. But even if ICT mailed that this shift now he's wrong, I will challenge him that he's wrong. You will laugh. You will say that, oh brother, you learned it from ICT and you are now telling that ICT is wrong. Yeah, I will tell that ICT is wrong. I don't care. I want to see this Fable Cup will be unfilled. This Fable Cup should be unfilled. If it can make a Fable Cup over there, then I would love to see that will be unfilled. If it can make a Fable Cup. It's making a lot of liquidity. That is the problem. Here, this is also relatively equal loss. You have good level of confidence. Keep it up. I was also joking, limited. When you told that ICT mailed you, I know that ICT don't do that. So you were just joking. I knew it. So I also do the joke, same joke. Okay. Oh man, market is trying to give you another setup. Let's see, brother. I will see. The problem is time. Okay, I don't have the time, so market has to take that buy side liquidity before it close. That's why I'm just thinking that what is it doing? So it doesn't have the time, so it should expand higher now. What is it doing? See this order block, just one time, two time. Now this is the third time, but it should not do that. It should keep going higher now and respecting the 50% of that last parallel gap. Either, I mean, in a opposite way. That is also not good. If it was like 315 now, I would say that okay, this is not going to work. This sell side liquidity will be taken or something like that. I would say like that way because it has the time to take the sell side liquidity, then go for the buy side liquidity. But now it doesn't have the time. It should expand, and now it is just spending time over here. This is not good. At the end, you trusted on your process. I always do that, brother. If my analysis is telling me that market is going higher, I don't care about anyone. Even if ICT come here and tell me no, brother, take sell. I don't care. Yeah, I'll be confused because if ICT tell that because he's always right. So I'll be confused, but I'm not. I would love to take the loss depending on my analysis. Instead, taking profit depending on other analysis. Okay, so this is me actually. This is an area of manual intervention. Okay, love from Kolkata. I am your subscriber from when you had only 900 subscribers. Okay, man. You were joking, man. Oh, it's been a long then. It's been a long. Thank you, brother. Limited. But how did I miss your name? Limited edition. It was well known to me, but I can't remember when I read your last comment. Really, man, I forgot. সো আমরা ভাই ভাই আমরা দুজনে দুজনের কথা বুঝতে পারবো তাই না? আপনিও বাংলা বুঝেন আমিও বাংলা বুঝি. Hi brother, do you think we are going to get volatility at 4 from 2 we have a small range? Let me check actually. Yeah, from 2 we are getting a small range. Yeah, around 4 we will get 90% possibility around 4 we will get the volatility. 90% possibility. There's 90% possibility that we will get the volatility around 4 because from 2 p.m. it is just consolidating. No volatility, nothing. So whole PM session was volatile. So around 4 p.m. if yeah, thank you brother for reminding me this. If I see this type of things, from 2 until 350 there is no volatility, then around 4 there should be some volatility, and that volatility should be huge. Okay, that should be huge volatility. Market is waiting for 350 to take the liquidity in one candle. Okay, we will see, brother. আমিও বাঙালি কথা ভালো হবে। আমি আপনার লাস্ট ফেয়ারভ্যালু ক্যাপ স্ট্র্যাটেজি খুব ভালো করে ট্রেড করি। Okay, brother. That's cool, man. I know a lot of you are waiting to prove me wrong. Oh, brother, you are wrong. Market didn't go higher. Market fall. I know, I know. I'm always wrong. Now, I would love to talk about something. See this low and that low. They are relatively equal lows, okay? Market came here, failed to take that relatively equal lows. Now, I would love to show you something. This low and that low, they're relatively equal lows. Market come back again here, failed to take that relatively equal lows. What happened after that? When it failed to take the relatively equal lows, what happened? Market went higher. Take the obvious high. What should it do now? It should go higher and take the high. Now, is it going to happen? I don't know. But as I told you, market always follow the previous price action. So far, this is the previous price action. I'm just comparing this price action with that price action. Okay, just compare this one with that one. That doesn't mean it is going to work, but just compare it. Okay, isn't it the same thing? I think so. So market should follow the same story. Here, this story should be repeated here. It should keep going higher. Do you understand it or not? I really don't know. This low and that low, there are relatively equal lows. Market failed to take that relatively equal lows. Instead of that, market went higher. This low and that low, there are relatively equal lows. Market failed to take that relatively equal lows. It should go higher. Okay, same logic, same thing repeatedly, one after another. 5696 is still, I don't have. I am short 1800 700 18,700. Okay, brother, you're saying right, but market is creating liquidity near the order block. I think it will be engineered. It can be, brother. Absolutely, it can be. It can take that sell side liquidity. Absolutely, it can do that. I'm just trying to show you some possibilities that market should follow the history. So here is the history. The same history should be repeated. I'm thinking like that way. If it went lower, either way, I will be stopped out. Even if I was in this trade, I would be stopped out over here, right? So I know already that maybe I will be stopped out. Nothing to worry over there. But still, I'm just thinking like that way. It failed, so it should be failed again. If we take it, I'll be stopped out. Simple. আমিও বাঙালি। Simeon Bala. Where are you from, brother? Yes, made new high for the day, but no continuation. But Nasdaq didn't do that yet, so it should do the same thing, right? It should make the all-time high again. Let's see. Just 1 minute left for the huge volatility. So the huge volatility is coming by this candle now. Okay, it has taken all the liquidity and it got stopped out. No problem. All of this liquidity has taken. That's cool. See the volatility around 350. I love it. All the liquidity has taken. Did I got stopped out over here? Is that a loss? No, absolutely not. Even if I was in that trade, I would be stopped out to the break even if I don't take the partial. Okay, no problem. I will try to frame another buy for this buy sell. No entry is valid after 345. No entry is valid after 345. So please don't take the entry. All I would love to tell you that market should go and take that buy sell liquidity. That's all my expectation. Still this order block and min threshold holding the price. Can you see it? খুলনা বাংলাদেশ, আর ইউ কিডিং ব্রাদার? খুলনা কোথায়? আমিও খুলনায় থাকি ভাই। আমারও পরানো যাহা চাই, তুমি তাই, তুমি তাই গো। By the way, don't think that this is an entry. No entry is valid after 345. Okay, please don't take any entry. Gollamari. Oh man. How many evening, how many afternoon, how many lunch I have passed in Gollamari, you have no idea, brother. I'm from Bagherhat actually, but I spent most of the time in this year in Gollamari area, in Khulna University area. Okay. If you just compare all of the setup with this one, is that confident setup like over there with comparing with this setup, that setup, this setup, is that the same over here? No, still not. It's not the same, but still it is tradable. It's absolutely tradable. That's great. Who are you now? I'm in Bagherhat, brother. I am in Bagherhat right now. This like waiting for the new year countdown. Yeah, 6 minutes left for the new year. Just 6 minutes. You will see either I'll be right or I'll be wrong. By the way, guys, there is my Twitter link on the comment box right now. If any of you would love to connect with me in my Twitter, you're welcome. Okay, so you can join me in my Twitter. I don't know how much I am in YouTube, but most of the time I'm in YouTube, in Twitter. Most of the time I spent in Twitter. How does it look like? After this two candle, boom, it went lower. For example, just think you are in this trade, okay, real trade, maybe evil trade or something like that. You took that entry and then you saw these two blue candle, sorry, the green candle, and then suddenly this big down close candle. How do you feel in that area, brother? Oh man. Yes, on handles for all time high. That premium CB is not the table. What did you say? That premium CB, this one is not the table. Ah, what is that meaning? Why you just pinching me? Don't pinch me, okay? It's gonna take that buy sell liquidity. That's all I know. So please don't pinch me. I will write boom. Don't worry. Just give me the time. Bro, do you know what time the positions are closed in top step automatically at 4:10? 4 past 10. So it is going to be closed around 4:10. Okay, that's cool. Just make a fab lookup over there. Just do that. Do that for me. Do that for me. Don't just go without me. Just make a fab lookup over there. Okay, it didn't make the fab lookup. I hate you. I absolutely hate you. I absolutely hate you. Hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I, 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 I hate you. It covered the stop loss. Okay, yeah, it covered it. Just go through this fab lookup, man. What you are doing with this fab lookup? It has nothing to do right now. Just go through that. Don't make the wizard wrong over here. Okay, don't make him wrong. He's always right. So you wanna say that, brother, I'm right. I feel loving you is a losing game. Loving you is a losing game. That okay. Okay, bro, thanks. No problem. Wow, yes is flying. Yes did it. If yes did it, then Nasdaq is going to do it as well. I told Nasdaq to do that. Okay, I'm the wizard, so it should listen to his wizard voice. It should listen to him. Listen to me, okay? And yeah, that's all I know. Should listen to me. If it doesn't listen to me, then don't call me wizard again. Okay? Tell me I am nothing. I covered the break even. I covered it. Sorry, the mean threshold. I just covered it. Don't you just it just can't break the mean threshold of that wardrobe. It just can't do that. I hate you. I hate you, market. I hate you. Probably an SMT gonna form. Brother, why you are getting so tension? I mean, why you are taking so tension? There is no entry is valid right now, right? After 345, no entry is valid. So don't take panic. Just enjoy the price action. If you think that market is going lower, then just wait for a fall. If you think that market is going to take that buy side liquidity, just enjoy this fall and expect that market is reversing for the buy side liquidity. Just expect for that, okay? Don't take panic. You are not going to lose anything right now, as you didn't take, you are not allowed to take any kind of entry right now. No entry is valid. after 345, no entry is valid. Hit my stop loss for this one. I hate him. Just didn't respect. Hate you. Is it going for this stop loss now? I will hate him as well then. Between ES and NQ, it can do that, brother. Max, why you were laughing, brother? ES is flying. That's why. Let me check what is ES doing. Ah, ES was just boom. Oh man, that was a nice run. Absolutely a perfect run. And DXY is also falling. So when DXY is falling, ES respect him. Nasdaq didn't respect him. I hate you, Nasdaq. I hate you, brother. ES ready for short tomorrow. No more liquidity. Still, I'm not convinced. I don't want to see short for any of this thing. Nothing worked over here. Absolutely perfectly. Hit everything. This guy, see this parabolic gap? It made me wrong and wrong. I hate that parabolic gap. This very parabolic gap. I hate him. Still, I have the opportunity to go for that buy sell. Still, I am bullish. Can you imagine that? Oh, okay, it's after 4, so no more entry, nothing over here, no opportunity. Go for that buy sell liquidity because it's already 4, more than 4. So it's done for today. I'm sorry. I thought that market will take that buy sell liquidity, but yeah, it didn't take it. I will be break even over there. I'm done. No entry is valid after 345. It's forbidden. You just can't ignore it. If you ignore it, man, you should not be here with me. So take the fun after 345. Never ever hold your trade after 349. Never ever, okay? This is all for your good. If you don't understand this, you are not going to be profitable, okay? Is ready for short tomorrow? I don't think so. It should keep going higher for lot of things. That's your favorite last parallel gap. No, I hate that last parallel gap now because it made me wrong over here. I'm gonna hate him, okay? I will tell you, there is no parallel gap. There is no parallel gap called last parallel gap. I hate him. Brother, is it haram if you donate the profits to me? I think it is only bad if you give Larry Pino. It's not haram, brother. It did, but with yes. Yeah. So Nasdaq actually betrayed with me today. Remember that, okay? He betrayed with me over here, that area. Just gave me the chance, didn't hit my target for 3 handle. Just for 3 handle, it didn't hit my target. I hate him. But as I told you, the whole thing happened already. From here to here, you will be able to catch everything around that area. Every single. I was just outlined one setup in my life in the morning session. Then you saw this thing keep happening. When market was over here, it is more obvious that market should take that buy sell. It was absolutely obvious. Okay, so market tried one time. When it failed, this time it should have taken that buy sell liquidity. Just for 3 handle, it didn't. I will spare him. I'll just spare him. It's cool. What did you say? You wanna unsubscribe me? Okay, let's see. Nobody unsubscribe me. Oh man, you did a mistake. Whatever, guys. It was a fun. I mean, just came for the last hour. It was absolutely brutal price action from 2 p.m. So from the 2 p.m. to until 4 p.m. This is just absolutely bad price action in my opinion. There was nothing clean, very clean, nothing at all. Okay, so except this breaker block, and as I told you, if you wanna take that breaker block entry, this high, when market will go above that high, you either you have to take the partial or you have to put a stop loss to the break even. If it go for that buy side liquidity now, I will kill the market. Okay, I'll just kill the market. I don't care about anything, I'll just kill it. If it just go now for the buy side liquidity after taking this sell side liquidity and rejecting from that 15-minute fair value gap, I'll just kill the market. I'm just joking. Don't give me a case. Okay, hit the likes, people. Support the brother, please brother, give me the likes. Jack T, what should we do then? If it go right now for the buy side liquidity, what should we do now with the market? We should kill the market. Okay, just wait little more. Let's see as we get some volatility around here. Do we have any earning today? Anybody knows that? Do you have any earning like Nvidia or Microsoft or that type of earning? I don't think so. So please, if any of you would love to follow, I mean, join me in my Twitter, you are welcome. Please join me to my Twitter. Lot of thing over there. Trust me. No, okay. So just let it go because. Oh, by the way, I'm not bearish. Okay, I'm not bearish still. I would love to see market will work higher. Okay, so that 1.5 standard deviation should be triggered by that run. So until this line 18 triple, oh, sorry, 18888.75, until that area market should reach this time, then maybe after that we will be bearish for forever, maybe. Okay, already following, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. You got a subscriber. Did I? No, I didn't. 5696. It was 5696. So I didn't get any subscriber. Tomorrow 8:30 we have something. Yeah, tomorrow I'll be here. Uh, but Friday I won't be here. By the way, thank you, Jack T, for that penguin, man. From where have you measured the standard deviation, bro? Could you show? Is it on daily? No, it's not daily. Ah, okay. Just a second. So this is minus 1.5 standard deviation. I guess you can't see it. The reason is it is just below this line. So this is minus 1.5 standard deviation, and that on is minus 2 standard deviation. This is minus 2.5 standard deviation. So 1.5 to 2.5. My belief is market will reverse from 1.5, but it can reach until that 2.5. There is nothing wrong. That's the line. If it go and take that buy side liquidity, don't forget to tell me boom. Okay, by your mind, just tell me boom. It show in the screen. Maybe the the changed his mind, he will be a loser. What did you say, brother? It show in the screen. Maybe he changed his mind, he will be a loser. Oh, just forget about him. Whoever actually subscribed to the channel, just forget about him. I just missed my target, so that 5700, maybe I'll catch that tomorrow. So thank you guys for joining me in this boring price action. I decided to come here at the last hour because after a big run, this last hour is really so difficult. Even if you want to take some entry, the only opportunity was over there for the breaker block entry around that area until this Yeah, I really thought that market will reach over there, but as I told you, you have to take the partial over there. Otherwise, you have to put your stop loss to the break even. If you don't do that, you will regret. Otherwise, if you just think this is just 9 handle, let it hit your stop loss, perfect as well. Okay, so that was everything. So yeah, 500 points range day. Yeah, Minato. All right, thanks. No problem, Max. So guys, thank you so much for joining. And before just leaving, give me a like. Okay, for three people are still watching, 29 likes. Please don't forget to give me a likes before just leaving the stream. If you don't like it, give me the dislike. No problem. Otherwise, just push your button. Okay, it will help other people. So thank you guys for joining me in Twitter, for joining me in YouTube. We will meet tomorrow, I guess. Until